everyone, I'm Elmo. We have another special guest today. This one's not gay, but I'm sure you'll love him. Introducing the one, the only, Spider-Man!
Hi, everyone. Whoa. Can't stay still here.
So, Spider-Man, do you talk at all?
Yeah? Why do you think I fly around? I'm always high. Whoa.
Well, that's funny. 'Cause I was told you were gay.
Who told you that?
Chip.
That little fucker. I told him. Never to tell anybody about me and the 5 other guys.
What? Son of a bitch out there! Elmo don't love you. Gotta stop having figs on my show. Remember, Elmo loves her.